Greetings, my people. We're here today, well, not only to do a sanitation, but this video is about dumping and refilling your water. What you want to do is dump and refill your water at maximum every 90 days. That's the maximum you can go before water literally just locks up and you can't treat it anymore. The recommendation is every 60 days from us. Hell, I change my water every 6 weeks. And so with that said, fresh water is better water. See the series on that. So we're going to do a real quick video on how to do it. What do? How do the spa guys do it? We use submersible pump right there. It's a beautiful thing. There's some connections and hoses and everything that we're going to put in the product description and a link below. It's not our products, but we're going to show you how fast you can actually do this. See this jacuzzi? This is a 400 series. Beautiful tub. We're going to have it dumped in about 10 to 15 minutes. Just depends on how fast we can get it done. So we plug in here. We throw in our pump, and then the discharge hose is as long as you can tolerate it, meaning that the toleration is that kills grass. The chemicals that are coming out of here is nasty, and so you want to put it in an area that is acceptable of water, or at least that it runs off the sides where you kind of accept the grass loss or maybe some rocks. So the bushes can be saved. It won't kill the bushes, it won't kill trees, it won't kill stuff like that. Discharge it to an area that has a higher vegetation growth than not to be able to absorb. So take a look here. We put it in, we plug it in, and simply put, well, let's go this way because got to be in the camera. We plug in, and to the magic of electricity, the water flows out. Dump and refill is the best, and that's all you got to do. Stay tuned for the next part where we show the individual components. Alrighty, we're back now. Take a look. These are the components that you need. You need one pump, submersible style. I buy from Harbor Freight. See the link in the description. If you don't have a Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, it doesn't matter. This is a half horsepower Drummond. You can get any make or model you like. Plastic. Make sure it's plastic. Do not use any metal. Usually has, with that size, a 1.5 inch discharge threaded. So NPT threaded in here. Take a look at the threads. So you're going to get something that screws inside of there, and so you're going to need an adapter. You're going to still stay at Home Depot, and you're going to get a 1.5, and you need to reduce down to the hose size that you actually get. If you get a 1.5 discharge hose on the opposite side, and it's big enough, I don't. I only have a 1-inch hose. This hose lasts forever. Again, this is at Harbor Freight, and it'll last as long as the tub. All you got to do is just screw it in, and you're all set. But you need to get the adapters down, and we used a little bit of a hose clamp on the side there in order to get it. So I went from 1.5 National Pipe Thread NPT to slip, which is a slip fitting in the other side, reduced down to 1 inch with a 1-inch pipe interior to a 1-inch hose discharge. You can get a backwash hose that they sell. They're 2 inches, and then you can just do 1.5 to 2-inch hose out the back. So you need an adapter, 1.5 to 1.5 inch slip, and then you'll just discharge with a blue hose. Again, all Home Depot materials. I buy from Harbor Freight because we go through these a lot. This is $79 at Harbor Freight or $100 at Harbor Freight compared to $150 at Home Depot. So a minor savings. Get everything, and don't forget to put it in a bucket, whether it's a Home Depot bucket or anything like that. Make your life easy. Put it all in there so that you can easily come out and discharge. And so you put your pump in, throw the water out. This should take you all of 45 minutes to an hour to do, and you'll be back in hot water and fresh water. That's all.